Hi, I'd like to share with you a brain teaser that I heard recently and show you a program that I wrote to help visualize it. So if you're given 12 balls that are all tin and one of them you can choose to become platinum, which of course is a lot more valuable, how many times would you have to weigh these 12 balls on a balance scale to find the platinum one? So the answer to the question is that you would only have to weigh them 3 times. You can either weigh in ones individually or in groups. And I'd like to show you how this works in this example. So if I pick something to the left, 1 through 6, you can see that the first test that it will make will find that that side is heavier. So let's pick 3. And now we know it's between 1 and 6. Next, we find out it's between 1 and 3. And next, we find out that the platinum ball is actually 3. So let's go over to the right side. We'll pick 12. Now, in our first test, we find it's between 7 and 12. Next test, between 10 and 12. And the last test, we'll find out that it's actually 12. So let's talk about how this actually works. The first split we make is right down the middle, 1 and 6 on one side of the balance, 7 and 12 on the other. If the left side is heavier, then we just forget the whole right side. If the right side is heavier, we forget the whole left side. So let's say that the right side is heavier. The next thing we do is make a split here in the middle. We compare 7, 8, 9 to 10, 11, 12. And in this case, we're going to find out that the right side is heavier. And then the only weighing left is to compare 10, 11, and 12. Well, we have one weighing and we have 3 balls, but that's okay. So if we weigh 10 and 11 together and they're equal, that means it must be 12. And if we weigh 10, 11 together and 10 is heavier than it's 10, 11 is heavier than it's 11. So that shows that we really only need 3 weighings, and this will reliably find any ball that we pick to be platinum and go down and find out reliably where that ball is. So I hope this helped you visualize this puzzle. It was a tricky puzzle, but this is one way to visualize it. Thanks so much for listening.